Hi, middle schoolers. Thanks for sending in all your photos on where you do school. So, this is going to be a showcase of where the different people from our middle school they do school because we are a school without walls. So, we're going to start off with Riley. Riley does his school right here, and I love how he has to use a piece of paper as his mouse pad. That's recycling and using what you got. So thank you, Riley. Samuel didn't send in a picture of where he did school. He sent a picture of this pencil and only done school in normal setting or at home like I am now. Mrs. Veal. Mrs. Veal does her work at the kitchen table. She likes to look outside and be close to food. She doesn't look it though. Brenna could not get a picture, but the craziest place she's ever done work was on the ground because her bed hadn't arrived. So she had to work on the ground for a long time before her desk arrived and her bed arrived. And hey, you do what you gotta do, right? Jensen does school at the desk. That looks like an old-fashioned roll-top desk that they used to do writing on for like Lincoln and Washington, and different presidents would use these to write letters on. So that's pretty cool. Allie does work at the dinner table. And I love the scented candles. That's totally awesome. Mrs. Crowden working away there. I love that he has his water there. Plenty of fluids. Keep hydrated. This is where Mr. McNamee is currently doing his work. Looks like a teeny tiny desk. And here's Nevaeh. She's even got her D2L open, ready to get working. And I love the beautiful flowers in the back. Here's Cassidy at her desk. Beautiful porcelain dolls up at the top. I love porcelain dolls. But everything is right there and ready to go. That's really doing a great job in organizing your space. That's a great organization of space. Mr. Littlejohn once had to do Class Connect at McDonald's during lunchtime. It must have been horribly loud. That's all I can say. Here's Stephen at his desk. Love what's in the background there. That's a beautiful scene to look out and take a quick little brain break. Solomon does work at his desk, which also has a beautiful window, and it looks like he's also educating his little sister in the ways of the world. This is Hayden's desk. Love the map. That is a great comfy looking chair there. So, and all those monitors, a great organization of space. And this is my office. So you can see one of my dogs down there. Olivia seems to always be in my office, and that is where I work. Thank you to everyone who has sent in pictures of where you do school. That is totally awesome. So we will have another showcase. Make sure you send your pictures in for the next showcase. Have a great day. Bye, guys.